In a world powered by energy, one resource sits at the center of it all: oil. From fueling cars and airplanes to powering industries and economies, crude oil is more than just a commodity. It is a reflection of global stability, conflict, and economic strength. But oil prices don't move randomly. They react, often violently, to major global events: wars, financial crises, and pandemics. Each one leaves a clear mark on the price of oil. And for those who understand these patterns, these moments are not just history, they are opportunity. In 1990, the world witnessed a sudden geopolitical crisis, the Gulf War. At the time, oil prices were stable, hovering between $15 and $20 per barrel. Markets were calm, supply chains were functioning, and there was little expectation of disruption. But everything changed in August 1990. When Iraq invaded Kuwait, global oil supply was suddenly at risk. Markets reacted instantly. Within weeks, prices surged, doubling to nearly $40 per barrel. Fear drove the market: fear of shortages, fear of instability, fear of the unknown. But as the war officially began in early 1991, something unexpected happened. Prices started to fall, because the market had already priced in the worst-case scenario. By mid-1991, oil returned to normal levels. Nearly 2 decades later, a different crisis emerged: the global financial crisis. This time, the problem wasn't supply, it was demand. Oil prices surged to a historic high of $147 per barrel. But when the global economy collapsed, demand vanished. Factories slowed, travel declined, consumption dropped, and oil followed. Prices crashed from $147 to nearly $30. This was not a correction, it was a collapse. Recovery took years. Then came 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic, a global shutdown unlike anything in modern history. Planes stopped flying, cars stopped moving, industries shut down. Oil demand disappeared almost overnight, but supply kept flowing. Storage filled up, and for the first time ever, oil prices went negative. Producers were paying buyers to take oil. It was a moment that shocked the world. But as economies reopened, demand returned, and prices rebounded quickly. In 2022, geopolitical tensions rose again with the Russia-Ukraine war. Russia, a major oil exporter, faced sanctions. Supply fears returned. Oil prices surged past $100 per barrel. But this time the recovery was slower. Markets remained volatile. Uncertainty lingered. Now, the world faces a new and evolving crisis: the Iran war. This conflict has triggered one of the largest energy disruptions in recent history. A key choke point, the Strait of Hormuz, responsible for a significant portion of global oil supply, has been severely disrupted. And once again, oil prices reacted immediately. Prices surged past $100 per barrel and recently climbed to $109 to $111 amid escalating tensions. Analysts warn prices could reach $120 or higher if the disruption continues. The pattern is familiar. Fear enters the market and prices rise. But what makes this crisis different is its scale. Up to 20% of global oil supply flows through this region, and disruptions here affect the entire world. Markets are now watching closely. Every headline, every escalation, every signal. Because the next move in oil may not just impact prices, it could impact the global economy itself. Looking across all these events, a pattern emerges. Supply shocks cause prices to spike. Demand collapses cause prices to crash. Uncertainty drives volatility, and stability leads to normalization. But the most important insight is this: markets are forward-looking. They react not just to what is happening, but to what might happen next. This is why prices often move before events fully unfold. It is why peaks occur before the worst moments, and why recoveries begin even when the situation still looks uncertain. For traders and investors, these patterns are not just history, they are signals. Signals that can be studied, understood, and used. But success requires discipline, timing, and risk management.
because in volatile markets, opportunity and risk move together. Oil is more than just a commodity. It is a mirror of the world, a reflection of war, growth, fear, and recovery. From the Gulf War to financial collapse to a global pandemic, and now a new Middle East conflict, each event tells a story, and that story is written in the price of oil. The question is, will you just watch it, or will you understand it?
Oil is one of the most volatile commodities in the world. And while many fear its swings, smart traders see opportunity. Let's break down proven strategies to profit from oil crises. Strategy 1. Buy early fear. This works best during supply shocks. Think the Gulf War or the Russia-Ukraine war. The key is timing. As soon as a crisis starts and supply risk emerges, prices react fast. By buying early when uncertainty is at its peak, traders can capture the sharp upward swings. The exit is just as important. Sell when prices go parabolic. Don't get greedy. Markets often overreact before reality catches up. Strategy 2. Sell the news. This is often the most profitable approach. History shows that after fear peaks, the market corrects sharply. In the Gulf War, oil prices surged, then fell dramatically as events unfolded. In the Ukraine conflict, the same principle applied. The logic is simple. When uncertainty ends, prices fall. Enter a short position when the event becomes certain and ride the correction down. Timing here is crucial. Enter too early and the market can continue to spike. Enter too late and gains evaporate. Strategy 3. Trade demand collapse. This works best during economic slowdowns, like the global financial crisis or the COVID-19 pandemic. Oil is highly sensitive to global demand. Watch for signals like GDP contraction, declining industrial activity, or restricted travel. When these signals appear, short oil aggressively. The faster you recognize the slowdown, the higher the potential profits. The lesson? Markets don't just move on events, they move on expectations. Strategy 4. Mean reversion. Oil always returns to a normal range over time. When prices are extremely high, consider selling. When they are unusually low, consider buying. This strategy works across all crises because extreme fear or panic is temporary. Markets have memory, and history repeats itself. Patience is key. Strategy 5. Watch key indicators. To anticipate moves, track OPEC decisions, global GDP growth, inventory reports, and geopolitical tensions. These factors directly influence supply and demand, and therefore price action. Traders who pay attention to fundamentals can avoid surprises and position themselves ahead of the market. Finally, risk management is essential. Always use stop losses to limit downside. Avoid high leverage, especially during volatile periods. And never chase moves late. The market often punishes those who enter after momentum has peaked. In oil trading, knowledge is power. Timing is everything, and discipline protects your capital. By understanding crises, watching indicators, and managing risk, traders can turn fear and uncertainty into opportunity.